Hi guys, welcome to the madhouse. So, I wanted to make some walkways for my Necromunda board to get between the buildings, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So this is going to be kind of like a quick tips guide, I suppose. So I had a dig round through the cack box, found some bits of old mesh, bits of sprue, bits of card, random bits of bobs. Let's see how we get on, shall we? So the green plastic frame, that came from the pound shop. It had loads of plastic foliage all over it, which I'm going to use for a later video. The mesh, that's part of an old screen door from a caravan. Just going to hot glue them together and trim up the edges. The green plastic's a little bit soft, so I'm going to glue a couple of bits of sprue to the bottom just to stiffen it up a bit. So the plastic sheeting is the old sprues. They've been melted down, rolled out flat in a sheet, and then just chopped up as I need them. These two are just offcuts of bits of wood that I've laying about, and a couple of bits of sprue glued down the side to give them a bit more strength. I didn't manage to record in making this one. I must have missed the record button or something. But yeah, it's just the same as the first one, but instead of the mesh, it's got bits of card glued to the other side. We also did one with 2 bits of wood glued to it, but I didn't manage to record that either. And then it's just time to get everything painted. Start off painting everything black. Now it's time for a dry brush with burnt umber. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, guys. Finally, a dry brush of silver. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Weren't even planning on making this video, it was just a spare of a minute thing. And now some shaky hand cam to show you him in place. Catch you later. Bye now.